everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the 5-minute quick finisher workouts. Today we're using ankle weights and we're working for the legs. Toned and slim legs in 5 minutes. Let's go. Down on the mat. We're starting in 10 seconds with the first exercise, which is wide sweeps. Okay, so lay down and now open and close, cross, open, cross the other leg first, cross, open, cross, open, cross, open, cross. Breathe and just keep going. Okay, now lay on your side and now we're doing leg raises. We're gonna go for 30 seconds for each exercise on this side and then we're gonna switch for exercise in total. Up, down, up, down. Up, down. And now pulses. Stay up. Go for the pulses. Almost there. Okay, clamps, bend your legs, open and close, open and close. Brilliant. Inner thighs of the bottom leg, up, heel leads, toes forward. Quickly switch, and now leg raises. Okay, pulses. Stay up for the pulses. Pulse. Okay, clams. Almost there, last minute. Clams. And inner thighs, finally. Of the bottom leg, toes forward, heel leads. Engage your core. Feel the burn, enjoy the burn. Last 15 seconds. And that was it. 5-minute quick finisher with ankle weights for tone and slim legs. Well done. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.